Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. It is May 24th, 2021, last week of May. All right, let's dive right in. Just got done with our Cardano video. Now taking a look at Bitcoin. Yesterday, pretty sizable movement, especially, really the weekend was pretty big moves. We had the Friday close slightly higher. It was up 3% on the day. It closed at 58,000 and then opened at that same price. But then we saw ultimately a 20% down day on Saturday. And then Sunday, we saw a 25% down day. And then we're seeing a little bit of a recovery today. So we're up around 10%. Here's the deal. I'm cautiously just like I said on the Cardano video, I'm cautiously optimistic about where where Bitcoin is at right now. We had a ton of volume come in. We've seen a lot of support fly into here. That's not really a great high volume node zone that we're at, but this is generally where we thought we would find, the support generate, right? We've been talking about that 35 to 38K level where we would find support. It's too early to say whether that's going to hold, but what's going to be the key level here, at least on the weekly chart, is a retest of 41,000. It'll be interesting to see how traders fare when it gets up there, because that's going to be a tough nut to crack. That is the weekly Kijun Sen, and the weekly Tenkan Sen is higher up near 48K. So watch out for that. On the daily chart, and here's the conditions of our oscillators. The composite index is at the lowest level it's been since March of 2020. So keep that in mind. And this level here has been a pretty good support zone. If we go back in time, I'm going to put a horizontal line here. I'll make it black so it's a little easier to see. Thicker. We definitely do see prices respond in a somewhat supportive fashion when it does hit this level. So watch out for that. That's on the weekly chart here. And the RSI is, it's below 50, so that's not the greatest thing. But we do see the percent B popping up above 0.2. Now that's happening during the current week. There's still a lot more days left in this week, and we could still see a pretty freakish sell-off. Okay, that could still occur, and I think we should keep our stops really tight. Don't be greedy, but don't be freaked out either. The volume today in Bitcoin is nice, but it's not matching yesterday's. When you look at, when I was looking at that, I looked at the weekly chart and said Saturday and Sunday. It wasn't. Those are the last 2 weeks. Saturdays and Sundays volume are back here. But look at the volume bars, especially going back to the 19th. So over the last 5 days, the highest bars have been red. So there's been a lot of selling. I'm really not seeing a ton of conviction here on the bulls, because this is looking kind of little weak as we're getting close to the Tenkan Sen. So our first near-term area of resistance is 39,750. Above that, it's at 44,600. These levels are key to break above and hold above if we want to continue higher. Otherwise, this is just a pullback, throwback, whatever you want to call it. There's a difference, but everybody calls them throwbacks or pullbacks now. There's the daily Kijun Sen at 44K, 44,600. There's the high volume node at 48K. It looks kind of like it's not going to be the best area to see things continue higher. I think we do see some selling pressure generate here, probably near the end of the day, but certainly maybe into tomorrow. Hey, I could be wrong. I could totally be wrong. And we could see this thing just continue to, go nuts. The stock to flow price for Bitcoin is at 60K. So there's a On the stock to flow chart, there's a 48 to 49% discount that's available if you follow that. But we'll look more into this after the trade day on Monday, and we'll tag it on Tuesday's video. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.